Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. I'm kind of doing an informal video. It's a little different than my normal content. It's something I'd like to branch into maybe, but I'm here for my bookshelf again. My manga collection, my very small manga collection. This will be my manga collection tour here. So over here we've got some novels. This is just a graphic novel. A V for Vendetta. Kyoshi novels. Really crappy Legend of Korra book. Some other Avatar stuff, and we get into the actual manga like Berserk and Naruto and my precious Drifting Dragons, some Fairy Tail and a Junji Ito book there, but that's not what you're here for. You clicked on the video for the blind box. I recently purchased a $5 and $10 blind box. I didn't look yet, I just opened it. From RightStuff Media, the website, big manga and anime distributor. Going into this, I thought it would be manga because I saw a bunch of like $1 blind manga box openings, and I was like, oh, that's cool. But the 5 and 10 and 25 must be, you know, just more stuff. You get more manga for it. But it's still the same thing. But it's not. Much to my chagrin, I watched a $5 and $10 unboxing video. Very disappointed, but it was already after I ordered it. So here we are. Anything above the $1 blind box that's not listed as manga blind box is just anime. And this is going to be a quick video, pretty rapid fire. I got two things. Some obscure, shitty anime. I mean, it could be really good, I don't know. This one's called Yakitate Japan. The cover looks kind of neat, I guess. Kazuma Azuma wants to make bread. Not just any bread. He wants to make a bread that represents Japan itself and can stand to be toe-to-toe with rice as national food. Thanks to his legendary Hands of the Sun, unnaturally warm hands that allow dough to ferment faster. Okay, this is about a guy who enters a bread competition. 27 episodes. It's only part 1 of 20... Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to assume that's the $10 one because it's thicker than this one. Maybe not. I don't know. This is a Blu-ray... Five Brain Puzzle of God, Season 1, 1 to 13. Riddle me this. How do you solve the world's most challenging puzzles? I think I've heard of this. It's about a guy who solves puzzles, and the girl is just not good at solving them. Ooh, puzzles made by the sinister Pog. All capital. Oh, my cat just jumped up on the chair there. Yeah, okay, so this, oh, there's something else. It's nothing valuable. They're little cards. Tanto Cure Digital, now available on Steam. 1 to 4 players. It looks like, okay, I got a playing card. Handy Girl made. At the end of the game, Chiffon's VP is equal to the number of unique chambermaids in your private... Okay, so I give this a 4 out of 10 because these might be okay. I just don't know yet. I wanted manga. This was my own fault for not getting the manga blind boxes. There weren't any available anyways. I wanted to add more to my tiny little collection. Even if it's crappy manga, it can make my shelf look bigger and better. You know. Also, I know this looks out of place. I have 4 and 5 in the omnibus that just came in a package with other ones. But, yeah. I'm really close to the camera. I know this kind of content isn't my usual stuff. But I'd like to branch more into manga. I have a video planned about this one, Drifting Dragons. Fantastic series, in my opinion. Spreading the good word about Drifting Dragons. But, if you liked the video... give it a like, throw me a subscribe if you aren't already. It's a very informal, kind of off-the-cuff video, so I apologize about that. Oliver's going to chill in my seat that I was using as a stand for my tripod. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Say bye, Ollie. Yeah, he turned away. That's a goodbye.